All right, fifth graders. So we've worked on what an expression and an equation are. We've worked on what it looks like to solve in that order of operations. I hope you're saying in your head right now, you're saying gems. Now we're going to look at what it means when I have words to an expression and when I go from an expression to a word. So if I have this right now, find the difference of 8 and 4. I hope in your head right now you're saying, well, I know difference means subtracting. So if I'm finding the difference of 8 and 4, I am doing 8 minus 4. Okay? It didn't say find the difference of 4 and 8. It said find the difference of 8 and 4. So you are going 8 minus 4. All right, next one. Subtract 5 from 9. Okay, so if I subtract 5 from 9, subtract, we know what that means. I have 9 minus 5. I'm taking 5 away from my starting 9. So remember, language is super important when you are doing this. Okay, here's your next one. I want to divide x by 6, and I want to divide 6 by x. Now think in your head what divide means. If I'm dividing x by 6, I'm doing x divided by 6. Remember, x can equal any sort of number that we have. Okay, if I'm dividing 6 by x, I'm starting with 6, and I'm dividing some number by x, which could be 2, 3, 1, whatever you want, whatever they tell you, that is what it is. So look at how that language changes what those problems look like. Okay, next one, we're going from expressions to words. Okay, I have 11 times 15 plus 3. So in your head right now, how would you describe what to do still using order of operation and gems? Here's an example. Multiply 11 by 15, then add 3. Have those words in there telling us like what we are doing next. So first you're going to multiply 11 by 15. Then after you get that answer, then you're going to add 3. Let's look at another one. How does this change what we're doing? I have 11 times parenthesis 15 plus 3. I'm going to wait a second. I want you to think in your head right now, what does that mean? What does it look like in words using order of operation? You're going to add 15 and 3, then multiply by 11 because we know gems, groupings, come before multiplying. Here's our last one. We have 12 divided by 4 plus 7. What do you think? We know we're going to divide 12 by 4. Then I'm going to add 7 after I get my answer. We know if I did 12 divided by 4, I would get 3. And then I would add 7 to get 10 as my answer. So, fifth graders, things that are super important here. You have to look at the language that they are saying. And then you have to think about what that order of operations looks like. Good luck on your Google form today. Make sure to take your time and think about what those words mean.